I hear this a lot from the couples I work with. Their relationship started out so passionate and so romantic, and now, years later, they find intimacy lacking, and they're not sure why. Part of the reason is actually what you think. The honeymoon period is over. Although the passion does fade a bit over time, this is often not the only or even the main reason that intimacy and romance fades. Research shows a very strong correlation between the amount of fondness and admiration in a relationship and a couple's satisfaction with romance and passion and sex. That means couples who report feeling love and appreciation and admiration from their partner also reported more passion and sex in the relationship. So, what can we do so both partners can feel appreciated and rebuild intimacy? Today, I'm sharing my number one tip for enhancing fondness and admiration. Give your partner a genuine compliment. Really? One of the most powerful ways to show your partner you admire them is to express your appreciation for specific qualities they possess. For example, you may love that they are generous, loyal, caring, fun, adventurous, or a great parent. Expressing it out loud can have a huge positive impact on our relationship. More often than not, I hear that people actually didn't know that their partner felt that way. They love hearing the compliment. So, what compliment will you give your partner today?